Hello everyone, and today we're not doing an episode of Piano TV. Today I just wanted to give you a heads up of what's something that you can be expecting for the next 6 weeks or so. I am having a baby. Some of you probably already know that. It's something that I've discussed over on my new vlog channel, so definitely hop over there if you want updates. And by the time this video goes up, I might already even have a baby. I don't know yet because I'm recording this from the past for when you're gonna see it. It's about mid-January right now. So anyway, if I have a baby or not, if you want to like kind of keep up to date with that, you can go hang out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'll be probably like posting new photos and stuff like that. But I'll also do an update over on the vlog once baby's born at some point. So anyway, what you can expect in the next 6 weeks, I do have some pre-recorded videos. I've spent some time just to keep things rolling on this channel. I didn't want to like not publish anything for 6 weeks, but it's not going to be quite the same volume that we usually do. So it's not going to always be 2 videos every week like normal, because usually we do a video on Tuesday and a video on Saturday. So some weeks it's just going to be 1 video. And yeah, I hope you understand, like Michael and I just want to take some time to enjoy our new circumstances, our new baby and everything like that. So we are gonna slow down the production a little bit, but come mid-March or so, you can expect things to return back to the, the regular scheduling, 2 videos a week and so on. Hi, phone, that was loud. Again, I won't be posting anything baby related on this channel. Obviously, this is a piano channel, but I did want to let you know what was going on. And if you do want to, see baby related updates, as I mentioned, definitely check out Instagram and check out the vlog. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video, again, which is technically from the past, but it's getting put out in the future. I don't know why this is so complicated to explain. You understand. So I will see you then, and thanks for your understanding, and I'll catch you guys next time. Oh, sorry, my camera's crooked. Gonna be doing less videos for a month or 2 because of my belly.